Climate change is a big topic, and it affects all of us. But did you know climate change and pollution can massively affect the animals we hold closest to our hearts? Let's talk about the dangers our pets face with the changing climate and pollution. Due to the change in heat and the air around us, animals such as pugs and bulldogs can massively be affected because of their flat faces. This can lead to a trip to the vets and sometimes heat stroke. The heat can also spread more parasites like ticks and fleas, as they are able to survive longer and breed better in heated environments. These parasites not only hurt your animals, but they can also hurt you, leading to illnesses such as Lyme disease. There are other parasites that live in areas such as lakes and ponds, which can be extremely dangerous for our pets if they were to drink or swim in them. For our last point, we would like to bring up microplastics and litter. We see this wherever we go. There is no doubt this leads us to keep a close eye on our pets, making sure they don't eat anything they shouldn't when we are out. But the problem is that our animals are still digesting microplastics. They digest these from their toys, plastic food bowls, and even their food. Take our cats, for example. They love eating fish, which are known for carrying microplastics. Now, how can we stop these from hurting our pets? Firstly, try and get a cooling mat. This will help prevent heat stroke and can help take your pet's temperature down massively when they are ill. To help prevent against parasites, we should use parasite prevention medication, which you can get from your local vet or animal shop. This can massively help against you and your pets getting diseases. As for the microplastics, we suggest changing things like plastic food bowls to metal ones. As for toys, these are essential for your pet's enrichment. However, we suggest keeping a close eye on them whilst playing to make sure they do not ingest plastics, and also taking them for regular walks. We suggest not to litter and making sure to pick up any rubbish you find, as not only it helps you and your pets, but the environment and other people like you. I hope we have educated you on how climate change and microplastics can hurt our pets and us. We hope you are able to implement these into your homes.